Pre-assessment round 4, The Sign by Laura Wang. Number 1, which sentence from the story reveals Ori's courageousness? A. Ori crawled into the pit that he had dug where he had slept the past few nights. B. He came out with a bundle and tied it to his belt with a bandana. Or C. He stuck a hunting knife in his sheath, then took a stop towards the river. Number 2, read these sentences. But it was Ori who had brought the stars to life. He had made up stories about the dancing seven sisters, the rumbling big bear, and laughing little bear. These sentences suggest that Ori A. likes to spend time looking up at the stars, B. enjoys bringing the constellations alive for others, or C. has a good imagination for storytelling. Number 4, what is the most likely reason Ma supports runaway slaves? A. She believes slavery is a cruelty and wants to contribute to the ending of slavery. B. She already has a farm to hide the slaves. Or C. She does this because she is good at handling the men who hunt slaves. 5. Which sentence best reveals the bravery of Ma? A. They were searching every room and surrounding Ma. B. We have no slaves on our farm. Or C. Ma had helped many slaves on their way to freedom. Read these sentences. Those marks on the tree weren't from woodpeckers. They're the shape of a constellation just held out the slate. The stars of Orion, Ma. Ori made them. He's safe. What can the reader conclude about Jess from these sentences? A. Ori is a talented artist. B. He realized Ori's lessons about the constellation made an impact on Jess. Or C. Ori knows a large amount of information about stars and constellations.